Welcome to Archiesense. Gazorgah House, located in the luxurious Gazorgah neighborhood of Yazd, is a symbol of Qajar-era architecture and traditional Iranian art. Originally, this historic house was developed into 3 sections, with the central section reflecting dimensions and design in harmony with the involvement of its aristocratic surroundings. The uniqueness of the house lies in the mezzanine decorated with beautiful columns and intricate muqarnas, as well as a domed room, takoda. The interplay of light and shadow on the pointed arches, shakbozi, creates a stunning visual effect, adding to its aesthetic appeal while demonstrating the ingenuity of the original design. The restoration process of the house was carried out with respect for its history. Incongruous modern additions were removed to highlight the historical elements. A courtyard wall was retained as a symbolic link to the house's past. The restored ceilings with a blend of traditional designs demonstrate the mastery of the restoration. This attention to detail not only preserves the cultural and historical value of the house, but also enhances its visual splendor. Today, Gazorgah House serves as an ecological residence that invites visitors to experience Iranian culture, lifestyle, and traditions firsthand. The house serves as a bridge that offers new perspectives on the enduring heritage of Iranian architecture.